Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to print and make a booklet. So the first thing that you want to do after having your PDF file is to open it with the right software. You don't want to open it with Chrome, and you don't want to open it with Adobe Acrobat, because I know this is a solid software but it doesn't have the tools and for customization. Especially when you choose the booklet, you don't see the margin and the distance between these two pages. So you want to open it with Foxit PDF reader. This software gives you this option, margins, and it also has the auto center, so the distance between these two pages, which is very important in making the booklets. You can set it to 2" or 3" or whatever, but I found out that 1" works best for most of my documents. So after setting the margins, you can click OK and send it to your printer. So we have our 3D printed part, this and this, which goes here. It's going to be punch locator, just like this. We have our printed papers, so we're going to make a booklet just like this, and we're going to staple it. We don't have to fold it because this is designed to mark exactly at the center of the paper. We can put this one just like this. And then bring this one down, hold everything together. Get a needle or something, and just mark those. Just like that. You can put this one back here. You can get a staple from here and just put it there. Same with the other side. After that, we can remove this and flip this. And just fold these. Or you can also use this one actually for folding. Okay, this way. After that, just fold it exactly at the center. And there you have it. Your booklet is ready. Nice and clean.